Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you have a freelancer.com, maybe probably you're gonna get a email from freelancer.com. On my left, expose our logo for a chance to win 10,000 USD dollar. Okay, so they are running a contest under the graphic design, and maybe you can win this contest, and the contest deadline is 10 March 2025. So in this video I will show you who can join the contest and the contest requirements and the instructions that you have to do. Okay, perfect. So let's get started. So if you are a freelancer, you know about freelancer.com website, and freelancer.com, they are always running a contest like under the graphic design. Okay, and challenge is 10k USD. Okay, so here you can see the entry received already 350 person already contest entered, and the contest brief, you can check the contest brief as well. So the prize money is 10k USD, and how to submit, that's mean what you need to submit. You have to create a video, and the video must be 30 second to 2 minutes video. Okay, and the format would be like MP4 or AV, MOV, and then you have to post all the social media that you have. So you have to post in the TikTok account, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Okay, and definitely you have to tagging with this kind of handle or hashtag over there. Okay, here you can see this is the official website, and this is the official social media account tag, and then you can upload and then you can tag over here, and the deadline is, here you can see, 10 March, and this is the time framework. Okay guys, so I hope it's very easy and you can win, and the chances is very high. So what kind of video you can produce? So go to your Gmail and just check the Gmail and open the video, and that's when you have to expose their brand logo and you have to create the video. So the video kind of like it's could be funny or business professional. Okay, so you can see it's from United States. You can create this kind of video and you can upload, and then you can win. It's from Bangladesh and Tunisia. So different countries, different people, they are creating different style of videos. So it's your time to create the video, and then you can upload all the social media platform, and then if your video goes viral, and I think you will be the winner. Alright guys, so if you want to join the contest, just check your Gmail account and just open the account and check your Gmail account and click on the enter the contest, and it will open a website like freelancer.com. okay, and then you can enter, and then you can enter this contest. And already here you can see different people from different countries, they are already entering top entries from this contest, and you will find the different countries. Okay, they are submitting their profile, their videos. Okay, they are creating the videos. Okay, so make a viral video and then publish it. So make a video, publish it into your social media, tag all the social media tags, and then submit the link. Okay, that's it, enter the contest. So it's a great chance for all of you who has already a freelancer.com account, and maybe you can get this kind of email, and then you can enter the contest, and make sure to submit the contest later than 10 March. Okay, that would be fine. Okay guys, so no more today, see you in the next video. Have a good day.